Hello, Stampers. I'm Kelly Acheson at astampabove.com, coming to you from Menasha, Wisconsin. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States. Today, for my Wait, what? Wednesday tip video, I am going to show you how you can find very specific things based on their color. I think this was really interesting. I actually ran across it by accident. I thought, wow, I wonder if you guys would be interested in knowing how this works. Let's flip the camera around and I'll show you what I mean. So what I found was that I could actually shop by color, and I didn't know this was an option. So when I go to shop in the online store, I end up going to my blog, and I have a link for it, but I'm just doing a little search here, www.astampabove.com. Here, enter key. This is going to bring up my blog. And it might bring up a different screen first where you have to select my blog, but that address is astampabove.typepad.com. So what I like to do, the easiest way for me to go look in my online store is to come over here and click on this Order Online button. All right, now I'm in the Stampin' Up! Store, and unfortunately, August 4th, this is all going to change because we're getting a new store, so that's exciting, but I think all the concepts will be the same. So what I found is that you can click right here in the search box, and you can type in a color. And I'm going to type in Magenta Madness because it's one of my favorite new in colors, and I'm going to click on that little magnifying glass. And what I found is all of our products that include Magenta Madness come up in a search. So then it got me thinking that, well, if you had a favorite color, how easy would it be to go do a search like this and just find all those things with your favorite color? Or maybe you had a theme going and you needed a color, a bunch of colored items for that. So now I'm going to type in cinnamon cider, another one of my new favorite in colors, and here comes all the items with cinnamon cider. You can see that the Flowers for Every Season Memories and More pack has cinnamon cider. We've got the whole bundle of ink pads, cardstock 12 by 12, 8.5 by 11, markers. We've got some new grid paper that's fun, velveteen paper, cardstock, ribbon, ink, Stampin' Blend alcohol markers, and re-inker or ink refills. So then I started looking at other things. So you can go through all of the in colors and see exactly what's available in there. And then I thought, well, what about foil? What will that bring up if I look for foil? Here's all of our foil products. Maybe you really like shiny things. Like, who doesn't like shiny things, right? Well, here's all of our products that have foil or the name or the word foil in them. And that prompted me to search for, well, what about powder? Is this the easiest way to look up embossing powder? How many colors of embossing powder? Oh, we've got 4 colors right now, and that does change as we get new catalogs in. What about if I was looking for glimmer? Let's check that out. Here are our glimmer items. We have the rainbow glimmer paper, Wink of Stella, and then of course the glimmer paper are in these suites. Make sure you pay attention to English. This stands for French. If you're in the US, you want English. If you can speak French, hey, good for you. You can select the French version. I wish I was bilingual. I certainly am not. I'm lucky I can speak my own language. Here comes all of our punches. I just typed in punch, and here's all our current punches. And, well, I don't know why it's really bringing up dies too, but anyways, you get all of our punches. What happens if we type in dies? It's going to bring up all of our dies. I think it does. And when you scroll down here, it's working, 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 and here's some more dies. Oh my gosh, we have tons and tons of dies, so that's a great way to see all the dies at once. Now you guys know there's categories over here in this side column, and by the way, I am on a laptop. These things look different on your phone. They look different on an iPad or a tablet, but I'm on a laptop right now. So you could certainly go right over here and look at ink. You could go check out our kits. You can click on punches here, and all the punches will come up. But I like things to happen really quick. And so if I'm looking for a specific product, bam, I can type it right in this area. So I hope this tip was helpful, helping you navigate the Stampin' Up! Store. And like I said, I happened on it by accident, had no idea. Please make sure that you head over to my store if you need to order any Stampin' Up! Products. I always appreciate your orders. I am getting super close to my million, you guys. So exciting. And I appreciate everybody that's helping me out by watching or ordering from me. All of it makes a big difference. Also, today is Wednesday, and every Wednesday I do a joke of the week. I need to go pick that joke out now. I'm not sure what it's going to be, but I think I'll make it a pretty funny one today. How about that? Thank you guys so much for taking a little bit of time out of your day to spend it with me. Please make sure you click on the subscribe button down here in the bottom right corner. That really helps me out. You don't want to miss anything I have coming out on YouTube. And make sure that you share my videos if you can. I always appreciate that. That really helps me out too. You guys have yourselves a wonderful hump day. Bye-bye.